Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use fsck command on Linux. So let's start with opening the terminal. And what is a fsck command? fsck command is a tool for checking and repairing file system integrity on Linux. And right now I will show you some examples how you can use it. So the basic syntax of fsck command looks like this. You have to provide the options and then you have to provide a device, like this. By device I mean, for example, disk or a partition that you want to check. And now we want to check the disk or the partition, so we need to, at the beginning we need to know what disk or the partition we have in our file system. So in order to reach that, we can type in lsblk like this and press enter. As you can see, I have two disks and basically three partitions. So I have SDA and SDB. I will check SDB in this video. And now we can do something like this. We can write, of course we have to use sudo, and we can use fsck and option -n. What does it mean? Option -n basically means that option -b basically shows what would be done without actually performing the check. So it is very powerful for previewing action before making changes, and it's very, I would say, safe to use it with this option -n. And now we have to specify the partition, so SDB1 as I said before, and we have to type in the password. So as you can see, we don't have any errors in that case, but we can do a different thing. We can do something like this: fsck -y. What does it mean? That basically means yes, and it will automatically fix detected problems. So again, I can do something like this, and SDB1. As you can see, our problem has been fixed. In that case, we don't have any problems, so it is fine. How can we check specific file system? We can do something like this. If we want to directly specify the file system type, we can do something like this: sudo fsck dot, for example, ext4 and def sdb1, like this. We can do something like this. We will have, if for example we would have an error, we will have the exit code. So the exit code, which is bigger than 128, basically means that we have a fatal error. Error 16, we have a usage or syntax error. With exit code 8, we have a operational error. With exit code 4, we have file system error, and with 2 we have information that system should be rebooted, and with the exit code 1 we have file system error corrected, and with exit code 0 basically we have no error. So it's also pretty important to remember, I think. So and so how can you basically print this this exit code? You can do something like this. So I will maybe again do this fsck command -y on my SDB partition. And how can you show the exit code? You can have to use echo, $, and question mark. As you can see, in my case that is 0, so as I said before, that means no errors found. So in my case everything is okay. And that's basically all in this video. This is how you can use fsck command on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.